Hello loves, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thanks for subscribing. And if today is your first time of coming across my channel, you are highly welcome. Please do so good to click on that red subscribe button below this video to subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make custard. So this recipe is easy to make, like so easy to make. Yes. So I'll be using two packs of custard powder. This is Checkers custard powder and it's vanilla flavored. All right, so I'll be using two of this. I'm pouring it into a plate. And I'm adding water and I'll be stirring to mix completely. So like add enough water, just be generous with the water. So add enough water to get this running consistency. So this consistency is perfect when you're making custard. Custard, not pap, custard. Take notes. So I'm adding hot water to make the custard. Hope you guys are seeing what I'm doing. As I'm adding the hot water, I'm stirring. Once it thickens, I drop the hot water and I stir immediately to avoid lumps, and that's it. Custard is a simple recipe to make, but for some people it's hard. You know, I was in a conversation with a friend and we were talking about some food fails, and she said one of the things she finds difficult making is custard and pap. I was like, wow, you know, it seems easy but difficult for some people. So if you're that kind of person that finds it difficult to make custard or pap, this is how to make custard. So I'm done with making the custard. Hope you guys are seeing the consistency. The consistency is very okay. It's very okay and it's ready. So after making it, you can add milk, liquid or powdered milk, and sugar, and enjoy it with either moi moi, akara, or anything that works well with you. Alright guys, get your spoons and let's enjoy this together. So like I said, for some people it's difficult. So if you're that kind of person, this is how to make your custard. Alright, this is a cool breakfast treat. It's so delicious. And you guys know children love anything like pap or custard. Alright guys, I'm done with eating. Thank you guys for watching. If you've not subscribed, please do so to subscribe, like, share, and as well leave me a comment. See you in my next one. Love ya. Bye.